Martian Agriculture. This is hydroponics, aeroponics. Homes on Mars must protect residents from cosmic radiation, as the planet lacks a magnetic field and thick atmosphere. Best part of the tour, breakfast. When you take a bite of this breakfast, with the red Martian sunlight coming through the window. Hey everyone, reporting straight from Mars. Yep, the Mars. Today, I'm taking you on a full tour of what life is like here, how we grow food, where we live, and of course, what we eat for breakfast. Buckle up, it's gonna be a red ride. Okay, so here's the heart of our survival, Martian agriculture. Without this place, we'd last maybe 2 weeks. Outside, the regolith is full of perchlorates, nasty chemicals that would poison us, so no traditional farming. Instead, we grow everything inside pressurized domes. The air in here has 21% oxygen, humidity is kept around 60%, and temperature stays between 18 and 24 degrees Celsius, perfect for crops. These lights, high-efficiency LED grow panels tuned to the exact red and blue wavelength plants need for photosynthesis. We run them on power from solar panels outside. This is hydroponics, plants growing with the roots in nutrient-rich water, no soil. We pump the water through filters, add essential minerals, and it cycles back around. Saves a ton of water. Over here is aeroponics, roots hanging in midair, misted with a fine spray of nutrient solution. This method uses even less water than hydroponics and makes plants grow faster. And here's something special. We actually brought a small amount of real earth soil all the way from home. In it, we grow certain crops the old-fashioned way, partly for research and partly because there's something comforting about earth soil on Mars. You'll see tomatoes, spinach, carrots, strawberries, our famous genetically engineered potato, specially bred for low gravity. Another cool thing is, these plants are part of our life support system. They take the CO2 we breathe out and turn it into oxygen we can breathe in again. It's like the circle of life in a giant bubble. We harvest in rotations, so we always have fresh food. And trust me, after months here, fresh lettuce tastes like heaven. All right, farming's done. Now let me show you where we live. Homes on Mars must protect residents from cosmic radiation and solar particle events, as the planet lacks a magnetic field and thick atmosphere. Walls are lined with polyethylene layers, which are highly effective at blocking high-energy particles. From the outside, most houses here look like giant bubbles. And we need that. Mars radiation is about 40 to 50 times higher than Earth's. Inside my place, air pressure is the same as sea level on Earth, 101 kappa. Okay, now for the best part of the tour. Breakfast. These are our Mars-grown potatoes, fried in algae-derived oil, the only cooking oil we can make here. Fresh spinach, picked this morning from our hydroponic dome. And these carrot sticks, sweet, crunchy, and grown just a few meters from here. Honestly, they taste better than Earth carrots. Maybe it's the Martian pride talking. For my drink, tea made from melted ice and purified to 99.999% safety. Coffee works the same way, but we keep that for special days. When you take a bite of this breakfast, with the red Martian sunlight coming through the window, it doesn't feel like you're 225 million kilometers away from Earth. It feels like home. So that's life here. Farming in high-tech domes, living in printed shelters, and enjoying meals that are equal parts science and comfort. Mars is tough, but every day it becomes a little more ours. If you enjoyed this peek into Martian life, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, keep looking up.